Yeah.
Because we were doing like a 3D thing, and then Lizzie was in goal like she usually is. And as we went out, like the rain would start picking up again. So you know, you're just getting drenched.
Yeah.
Really fun.
And see, theirs didn't start till like literally game started and then it started like 5 days.
Nice.
But then
they hit the wall.
yeah, and like feeling. I mean, like it's just and pitching. I mean, like everything. And then it stopped, and then like the rainbow came out, and but then everyone was soaking wet.
Yeah, I kept cracking the joke of because every time our goal was on the left side of the field, screw you, other team, or whatever like that.
I got a picture of like the rainbow coming down. Griffin was playing second, and the rainbow was coming down like right on like his head, like so. Like I was like, "There's my my good boy on the end of the rainbow." But yeah, no. And then I took my socks and shoes off on the way home on my drive home, because my feet were frozen and wet. So it was a little miserable, but it's okay. I'm glad I'm watching baseball.
That's what fun is.
I know. So like those crazy moms that sit in those weird little tents, like those little like. You ever seen
Now
those?
you see why they
I
do
know.
that.
I was like ready to order one on like Amazon at that second because that mom seemed really smart. Except I'm not good by being by myself, so like I need to be able to fit like another mom or Mr. Donahue in there too. So I want a double tent, and now I'm just camping out at a baseball game. So, all right.
Brings an entire 8-person head to the game. Don't mind me, it just squeezes through here.
Okay. So, zero exponents can be as easy as you make them, or you can totally get confused with them. So remember, any value to the 0 power equals 1. Yikes, good word is.
Oh, yum.
So like we did like 7 m to the 0 power, that's just going to be 7 because it's 7 times 1. So with division and 0 exponents, that x to the 0, let's just see a 0 here. That x to the 0 is going to cancel, so that's gone. But these y's are also going to cancel too, because they're on the top and the bottom of the fraction. And so we're just left in this case with a 1/7. So just being careful that 7 stays on the bottom then. So our 0 exponents, those, like I said, they can be pretty easy unless you like overthink them and get yourself confused there. And then the last one we'll talk about here is power to a power. It should be a 3. Remember, we multiply the exponents here. Sorry, my board is really struggling this morning, or it's just me.
I think it's one.
We'll blame us both. We have a little powwow here. All right. I'm talking too. So multiply the exponents. By like -4, x to the 4th, all being raised to the 2nd power, we would distribute that power in. Now remember, -4 to the 2nd is going to be a +16 power to a power, or not power to a power, negative squared is going to be a positive. And then here we multiply those exponents. So understanding the difference of the exponents versus the coefficients. And then finally, with the fraction and kind of adding to that, let me show you guys one more with this. So in this case, power to a power, we have to multiply that exponent in. So that's going to become x to the negative 9, and then y to the negative 12. And since they're negative exponents, they're going to flip their positions. And then they become positive. Our power to a power rule there. Okay? Alright, so this sheet is hopefully going to be helpful to look over the weekend. If you didn't look at it a couple of times, that's going to be putting something stronger in your memory so that you're getting yourself ready for our test on Monday. Hi. Hello. How's it going? Splendid. We need to do our zippy selfie. I know. I don't think I should be with eat the masks. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, that's no problem. Thank you. Okay, do you guys want to do activity first?
Yes.
What is the activity?
It's one of the ones where thanks for your trust, and it's one of the ones you have to go around the room.
Oh, alright. I thought it was the ones that really bad jokes.
Oh, you love my bad jokes.
No, I don't.
Okay. So this one's a little bit different in terms of going around the room here. So let me explain this one.